no matter who they are, no matter where they live. People want hot water. It makes life more comfortable, more convenient, more fun. At home or at work, in dozens of ways. People also want clean water, essential to everyone's health and well-being. A precious resource that's becoming harder to find in many parts of the world. Most people take hot water and clean water for granted. But one company is focused on providing you with the latest solutions for heating and cleaning water. And that company is A.O. Smith, where innovation has a name. Customers have come to rely on A.O. Smith for high-quality, reliable residential and commercial water heaters and boilers. A comprehensive line of products, including the most extensive selection of high-efficiency water heaters on the market today. Maybe that's why A.O. Smith is North America's largest manufacturer of water heaters and boilers, featuring a portfolio of the best-known brands in the industry. A.O. Smith's global profile continues to grow. Today, the company serves customers in more than 60 countries around the world. In 1997, we entered the China market, and today, A.O. Smith is the leading water heater brand in China. Our modern plants produce a comprehensive line of electric, gas, tankless, heat pump, and solar products, all designed to meet the needs of customers in China. In 2006, A.O. Smith became the first U.S. water heater company to serve India. A new plant in Bangalore makes a wide range of electric, gas, and heat pump water heaters specifically designed for the India market. Today, customers recognize the A.O. Smith premium brand as the leader in quality and reliability. A.O. Smith also is rapidly becoming a leading supplier of residential water treatment products. And once again, its success comes from innovation. Its engineers developed the patented side stream membrane, an innovation that delivers twice the clean water as conventional RO products. Today, the company markets an extensive line of RO units with tanks and tankless models. Building on its success, A.O. Smith has developed water treatment products for India and Vietnam, and has a water treatment operation in Turkey. Great water heating and water treatment solutions start with great ideas. Few companies have the global engineering resources of A.O. Smith. Research centers staffed with more than 500 talented, dedicated engineers and technicians who listen to the customer and come up with products that meet their needs. Each engineering center is equipped with sophisticated tools to design, develop, and test the next generation of water heating and water treatment products. A.O. Smith leads the industry in reliability testing, subjecting materials, components, and products to harsh environments and extreme conditions. All designed to ensure our water heaters and water treatment products stand up to the most challenging conditions in the field. With more than 140 years of manufacturing know-how, A.O. Smith's global operations feature the right blend of automation and well-trained, experienced employees who are passionate about taking care of our customers. Global operations that ship nearly 6 million quality products every year. We have the global scale to serve customers no matter where they are located. Technical support and customer service are more critical than ever as water heaters become more sophisticated. Whether it's online or in person, on the phone, or in the field, A.O. Smith has dedicated customer care professionals to provide answers about installation, maintenance, and technical support. And we offer one-of-a-kind capabilities, such as remote monitoring of water heater and boiler installations. The vision has been the same since the day in 1874 that C.J. Smith opened his Milwaukee machine shop. Take care of customers and find innovative ways to make them more successful. Use technology to help solve problems and make a better, longer-lasting product. But there's more, much more to our way of doing business. The Smith family has always insisted on doing business with integrity, in treating employees with respect, in being honest with customers and suppliers, and in giving back to our communities. A global leader, a trusted partner. A.O. Smith, where innovation has a name.